Hi, I'm Mariko Hiyama. Many of you know about me as a face reflexologist. So I have been traveling around the world and I need to maintain my physical strength, also mental focus. How I maintain this? Many people ask me, how do you really keep your strength, energy while you're doing so much traveling and doing this energy healing work? So in this video, I would like to share what I do so you can learn and you can maintain your well-being. So please follow me, how I do, and I'll guide you through step by step. So now I would like to show you what I do every morning before I begin my day. So this is the sequence that I do every morning. And before I go to work, I charge myself, filled with vitality and smile on my face. So I would also guide you how you can do this in a little bit easier way.